Hi Healthy Sixnay, my name is Courtney and I'm a dietetic intern working with Dakota and the other dietitians at Six Nations Health Services. Since I started here at the beginning of July, I've been working on a variety of projects from virtual classes on Zoom to these cooking videos. A little bit about myself, I'm actually originally from Western Canada, specifically just outside Edmonton, Alberta, and I came here to Ontario to continue my education and to become a registered dietitian. So when I was first tasked with making cooking videos using traditional Haudenosaunee foods, the first thing that I did was look at the Healthy Roots Haudenosaunee foods list, and I saw that gooseberries were on it. Speaking from my personal experience, gooseberries are not a well-known fruit. Since I was little, I remember I first saw gooseberries used as a garnish on desserts at restaurants, and I really liked them. I couldn't remember the name of what they were, but I remember I saw them later in grocery stores, and I always tried to buy them when they were in season. I also wanted to ask members of the Six Nations community to see if they had any knowledge or stories of gooseberries, and I learned that gooseberries are a lesser known traditional food. When I was talking with Kitty, I actually learned that the variety of gooseberry that grows in this territory is a smaller green sour berry that can be found in the woods. If you're interested in finding gooseberries, you can actually find them in season in the summer months between July and August in Ontario. And they're high in vitamin C, which vitamin C helps to prevent you from getting sick. There are also many varieties of gooseberries that come in different sizes, colors, and flavors. And gooseberries make really great jams, pies, salads, and salsas. So here with me, I actually have some Cape gooseberries. These ones are the only variety that I've actually personally seen and tried myself. And these ones grow with an outer husk around them. And they have kind of what's described as a sweeter, tropical, tangy flavor. So now that I've gone over a little bit about gooseberries, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and refreshing gooseberry salsa. Don't worry if you don't have gooseberries on hand. You can easily substitute gooseberries with red tomatoes or green tomatillos. And this salsa recipe is great with tortilla chips, bread and cheese, or on tacos or taco salads. So let's get to it.
Start by chopping 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, or 2 medium tomatoes. Chop 1 cup of gooseberries. Finely dice half of a small onion. Chop a third of a cup of fresh cilantro. You can substitute cilantro with fresh parsley. Cut and squeeze a lime to get about 2 tablespoons of lime juice.
Okay, so now that we've added our tomatoes, gooseberries, onion, and cilantro to the bowl here, we can now start adding our lime juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, some salt and pepper to taste, about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon each. And if you want to add some extra spice to it, you can add some crushed red peppers, or if you have and want something a little bit more spicier, you can add some red chilies to it as well. For the ease, I'm going to just add some crushed red pepper and just add enough to the spice level that you'd like. And then once you've added everything, you can just give it a nice good stir. Okay, here you have it guys, gooseberry salsa. Let us know what you think of this recipe in the comments section below.